Welcome back. This is the train channel. We're at the Western New York tracks. We got an OC&T's freight train coming. Let's check it out. Roll it. Make sure you don't leave coal behind. Got some rare things going on today. Got OC&T on Western New York. And this is another long freight train, just like we had yesterday with the CN power, and then today with the 75 power. Oh, come on. What's this on the end? What's this on the... No way. I don't know what's this on the end. Hope it's not the cabooses. There's the end. Symbol on that train is the OC&T Alco 75 with the Western New York pieces on the end. Huh? The 75 originates to Titusville or to Roseville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates, all on this Friday, October 20th, 2023, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Yeah, that's kind of strange for something on the end, so... Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.